Hey beauts, it's Lisshaaleahbeauty and we're back for a back to school glam. Let's go. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to check out the Best of Lisshaaleahbeauty playlist so you can get caught up on anything you missed. And if you're returning, well, welcome back. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button so you don't miss out on any new videos. Now, let's get into this back to school glam. Now it's back to school, whether you're going to high school, college, or university. There's a lot of unknowns, but the one thing we don't have to unknow is how your face gonna look, okay? So we're gonna glam out today with Morphe X Manny MUA Glam palette. We're gonna use all the colors from this one palette. I'll give you a peek. Not all obviously on my eye, but this is the palette that we're only going to use, and it even comes with highlighters that we're going to use. So we're going to go straight into this palette and get a nice, simple but glam back to school look. And that's it, folks. If you missed out on any details, hit that description below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button. Lisshaaleahbeauty out.